Hello Team Jeffco and welcome again to Manager's Minutes. My name's Don Davis and today I have with me Jerry DiTullio from the Treasurer's Office, our brand new Treasurer. So Jerry, just to kick things off, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and your background?
My background is I'm a Colorado native. I've lived in Jefferson County for about 30 years with my wife Julie and our 2 kids. My son is a West Metro firefighter, and my daughter works at a medical company. I have my high school. I went to Holy Family High School in Denver, went to Metro State College, and then also Regis University. So I have my bachelor's degree in computer science and management from Metro, and I also have my business degree and my master's from Regis, and my master's in education from Regis. Oh, wow. So as far as that's my educational background. As far as political background, I was elected in the city of Wheat Ridge for 23 years straight as city council, mayor, city council, and then right before I was elected to Jefferson County treasurer, city treasurer, and those were all elected positions. And also teaching full-time at Wheat Ridge High School for about 9 years in special education, English, and career and tech.
So Jerry, tell me what excites you most about the treasurer's position.
Well, I've had my eye on the Jefferson County government for a long time. It's a great place to be, Jefferson County to live. I've seen some great things happening with Jefferson County, the staff and the government, working with citizens and working with other elected officials. It's going to be fun to bring my background and my experience as a city treasurer and an elected official in Wheat Ridge to the next level in Jefferson County. You know, Jefferson County has 3,000 employees, 500,000 residents. So I'm really excited to bring that experience and background in the treasurer's office to bring transparency to the treasurer's office and work with city and county staff on projects. We have a great staff. So over the course of the year, we'll send out 220,000 tax notices. And that's for 150 plus taxing entities. We would collect and distribute over $1 billion to the school district, the fire departments, the cities, and that money is used for products and services all across the county. So I'm really looking forward to working with those entities, working with staff, the citizens on managing the funds and investing their funds for the betterment of Jefferson County and the public.
Yeah, I think that's a great point. A lot of it starts with you. I mean, in terms of the resources that we collect and that we use to serve our citizens. I mean, it really goes through your office. So that's a pretty exciting thing.
I'm excited about it.
That's awesome. So shift gears. You know, we've obviously got some great parks and open space areas. And, you know, I've been asking each of the new electeds, you know, what's their favorite Jeffco park or open space area? Do you have a favorite?
Well, really, I don't have a favorite. What I have is that my favorite is Jefferson County Open Space Program.
Okay.
As elected official in Wheat Ridge, we partnered with Jeffco Open Space on the Greenbelt purchase, Discovery Park, a lot of the smaller parks in the city of Wheat Ridge. So it's a great program that's really unique, and I think it benefits the entire community. You know, studies have shown that when you have parks and recreation in a community, it increases property values, it increases community activity, and that Jefferson County Open Space has been a part of that for a long time. So I'm really proud that the small portion that we pay on sales tax or Jefferson County Open Space tax benefits the entire county and preserves these lands for the future.
No, that's great. That's great. Okay, so another is, do you have a fun fact or a hidden talent that you want folks to know about?
Well, the only thing
that you don't want them to know about.
Well, the only thing that I do that I really enjoy, I like making old things new again. So I restore a lot of old Corvettes. I've had about 22 Corvettes over the past 11 years, whatever you want to call it. And I'll buy them and sell them, restore them and sell them. But the ones I bought now, I'm keeping because some of them were pretty close to what my mom liked when she was still alive, and the color and the body style. So I really like restoring old cars, old houses, old things, and making them new again. And that's what I enjoy the most. That's my time off. It's just working on something and making it new again.
Well, if you happen to know where Jerry might be able to get a line on another one of those Corvettes, you know, give him a call.
Oh, three's enough. Thanks.
All right. Well, Jeffco, we want to thank you for joining us again for Manager Minutes. I'd like to thank Jerry.
Thank you.
And I wish you the best in your upcoming tour of duty.
Thanks. Peace, everybody.